Thanks to American Greetings for sponsoring a portion of this video. Gosh, it is so cold, and for what? Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got out of my last class of the day, which was business. Thanks to American Greetings for sponsoring this portion of this video. One of my best friends, Sophia, her birthday is coming up very soon. I like to be on top of things. Everybody loves receiving cards. One of the best gifts to give of all to anybody for their birthday, or especially since the holiday season is coming up, is e-cards. Ever since I left for college, keeping in touch with my friends has been a top priority, and that means that I'm not there with them for their birthdays, they're not there for my birthday, which can be really sad, but American Greetings allows me to keep in touch with my friends. On your phone, you can download the American Greetings app. It's free to download and you get a 7-day free trial. American Greetings has unlimited cards for you to send to your friends, and it's really cool because it's all digital. So if you're a procrastinator and you forgot that maybe Thanksgiving is coming up, you want to send your family a cute little card, or your best friend's birthday is tomorrow, you're in luck because American Greetings lets you do it right from their app. Also, there's celebrity video personalization. So about a week and a half ago, when I sent one of my other friends a birthday card, Meghan Trainor, one of my favorite singers, had a celebrity card, and I sent that one over. I love the fact that I'm able to connect with family and friends on these special days from far away. Thanks to American Greetings, I can also schedule when I want to send my card, which is really nice because with your traditional mail system, there could be delays, things like that. Okay, I think I'm gonna do this e-card with a little wiener dog on it. So cute, oh my gosh. So this is what the card looks like. So in the section where it says personalize your message, this is where you would write in a traditional card your whole letter. So I'm gonna say, now that my message is done, I'm gonna hit preview so I can see what it looks like when she opens it. Oh my god, stop it. That is adorable, oh my gosh. I'm so glad I chose this one because the wiener dog just makes it 10 times better. Then I'm gonna hit send or share. All right, and send. And like I said in the beginning, one of the best gifts to give of all is an e-card from you to somebody else for their birthday or a holiday, just letting them know that you're thinking of them. Click the link down below and download American Greetings right now. Go make somebody's day. Thanks to American Greetings for sponsoring that part of my video. Now back to the night routine. I am hosting dinner for my godparents. My godparents are the sweetest people ever. They live like 40 minutes away from me. Yeah, it's about time that I have them over and host them now that I've got my couch in and my dining table, all that stuff. So I'm gonna head home right now. School was great. Love learning. I went to the library and got some schoolwork done, did some stuff for YouTube, and yeah, now I am headed home. For tonight's dinner, I'm gonna be making chicken and sausage pasta. I found this recipe on Pinterest, printed it out, and I did some prep work last night. Garlic is a pain in the butt to peel, to chop, to mince. It's just, oh my gosh, it took so long. So I'm glad that I did that. I went to the grocery store, got chicken, sausage, penne pasta, all that stuff. Let's go make it before my godparents come here. Okay, so I started off with a salad. This is a spinach salad with German dressing, cucumbers, and almonds. And then this is the pasta with chicken and sausage. And then I decided to add mushrooms because I love mushrooms. I think my godparents are about to be here, so I'll see you guys later. You don't need to be giving somebody the time of day like that. You will be doing something wrong if you continue to stay. At some point, you have to put yourself first. All right, now's the time where I take a shower. I don't like to shower in the mornings. I like to shower at night, but I also like to give myself enough time so that my hair is not soaking wet when I go to bed. I don't know, I just find that if I go to bed with my hair really wet, it's gross the next morning and it just doesn't dry the way I want it to. So I'm gonna shower right now, but today is one of those days where I'm exfoliating, shaving, and maybe we'll do a little hair mask, I don't know. Okay, let's do it.
Why are you slowing down? Oh, is it traffic?
Hello party people, time check, it is 9:52 p.m. I don't like to go to bed too late because I wake up pretty early at like 6:45 every day, and even if I try to sleep in the mornings, my body just doesn't let me. So if I go to bed at 1 a.m. then I'm screwed. And that's just not a daily occurrence that I want. Currently, I've got a candle lit right now. This candle smells absolutely amazing. It's like pumpkin citrus, and I'm obsessed with it. I have it in this cute little dish that I got from, I'm pretty sure, a vintage store. Now's the time where I do my homework and really grind out my stuff for the next day. And honestly, this kind of varies. I can do it in my office downstairs, I can do it upstairs on the couch, sitting at the counter, but I've kind of been liking doing my homework here at my little vanity. I just feel like it's not in my bed, which is good because when I do homework in bed, I don't get anything done. So it's not in my bed, but it's also just kind of, you know, in my room. I love my room so much. I started this business assignment. It's 3 hours long, but I already did like 2 hours and 45 minutes. So I just have to finish this last little bit and then I'm tired. I'm probably gonna go to bed. Maybe, oh, I definitely wanna read before I go to bed. I'm all done with my homework and now I'm going to do some reading. Currently reading the book Where the Crawdads Sing. It is so good. The last part of my night routine is to call Drew, and I FaceTime him until I go to bed. So that's pretty much that. So I'm gonna call him right now. There are so many leftovers, but it was literally so good. Yeah.
I knew you'd make it turn out.
They also like the salad. I just had like a bunch of leftover spinach and I just like threw it together and made a little salad.
Good job, babe.
Do some editing tonight. I got my homework done. And talk to Cassidy.